Amagi IPO, a valuation reality check. Amagi Media Lab is opening its rupee 1789 crore IPO, becoming one of the first tech listings of 2026. Despite strong global revenues, mostly from the US and Europe, the IPO is priced much lower than its 2022 private valuation. The key reason? Uncertain comparables and investors focusing more on profitability and operating metrics like customer retention rather than growth stories alone. NSE IPOs, India's biggest listing, gets closer. The National Stock Exchange plans to file IPO papers by March end, pending SEBI approval, valued at nearly $55 billion in the unlisted market. This could be one of India's largest ever IPOs. However, legal overhangs and a massive shareholder base add complexity. Private capital, Dharana Capital has closed a $250 million growth fund, reflecting renewed confidence in Indian tech and consumer business. VC fundraising in 2025 exceeded the previous 2 years, signaling that investors are again preparing for future IPO pipelines. Inflation edges up, RBI turns cautious. Retail information rose to a 3-month high as the food deflation eased and a core inflation climbed, driven by gold and silver prices. When inflation remains below RBI's targeted band, policymakers may pause rate cuts until new CPI and GDP series are released. IT giant Speed revenue margins feel the heat. TCS and HCL take surprise on revenues, but profitability came under pressure due to higher wage-related costs from new labor norms. Demand remains steady. AI revenues are growing, but margin management is now the real challenge. Auto and banking shift signal structural change. Tata Motors and Mahindra are locked in a fierce race for India's number 2 car maker spot, driven by EV launches ahead of tighter emission norms. Meanwhile, Deutsche Bank is exiting Indian retail banking with domestic lenders stepping in.